If you want to rise in your life, you must remove the weights that you have attached to your feet. The most important weight that you have attached in your life is looking back. Life is in the past. Thinking too much about the past life. Until you let go of the past, you cannot rise to the top, and as long as you are thinking about the past events, you will cause bad events to spread in your life with your own hands. It is true that we told you that you should let go of the past. But just remember that until you learn the necessary lessons from the past, the universe will repeat so many events in your present and future so that you learn a new lesson and enter a new experience into life with a new lesson. Become you, and you will eventually become a better person than yourself. Dear friend, extraordinary creativity in life. Seeing wonderful signs in life. Raising energy in life only happens in one mode: when I live in the present moment. When I let go of the past. Maybe you think to yours. Letting go of the past has 3 stages. So let's quickly go to know these 3 stages. First of all, if you are not a member of our channel, I suggest you subscribe to our channel and press the like button to support us. Well, let's go to the first stage, which is acceptance. Accept that you cannot change the past. The past has happened and you think about it, and be greedy and sad that you can't change the past, and always consider yourself a victim and blame others for this act, and ignore the life of the present, and always depend on yourself. Put it in the past. This work not only makes you sad, but also destroys the opportunities that you can get today, and use these opportunities to make up for the past. So the first step is to let go of the past, and this is an acceptance. Accepting that I cannot change the past. The second step is to forgive yourself because of the past. In guilt, and don't be hard on yourself and don't destroy yourself. But you should forgive yourself, and when you have forgiven, promise yourself that you will make a new decision from today. And implement the new decision in your life so that your past events in time don't let your present and future repeat itself. By forgiving yourself, you will feel better about yourself and stop depending too much on the past, and see the past as a great lesson to improve the life you have now and want to build. Well, the second step was to forgive yourself and make a new decision and implement the new decision. To implement the new decision, even write on paper and promise yourself what the things you want to do in your life from now on are, and how they should be done. Remember that by writing a plan for yourself, you can find better and more ways for your new life, because while writing, your mind will suggest new ideas to you. And try to write all those ideas on paper and read them again after writing. And if a new idea comes to your mind, add it, because when you force your mind to accompany you, it will offer you wonderful ideas. And this will change your way of thinking. And with frequent practice of this, thinking becomes a habit, and eventually beautiful and pleasant results enter your life. So, the first step is to change the negative mindset of the past and plan for a positive mindset in the future, and this is possible through writing. The third step is to take time to practice meditation. This exercise makes your mind calm and you feel calm in your being, because by doing this exercise you consciously control your mind so that it doesn't think about what you don't want and only focuses on what you want. That is why most professors recommend the success of this subject to all people and have written about this subject in all books. Because when the mind is calm and does not think about negative and unpleasant things, you can definitely experience more peace and pleasure. And with a calm and healthy mind, you can definitely focus on your goals better and be guided towards them. And this is where the mind will accompany you and help you on the way to achieving your dreams. And with this, you are also a human being. You will become useful and entrepreneurial, and you can make a great impact on those around you and help yourself and your loved ones. And the important point of this issue is that you must first create peace in your mind, because the main reason for all the good and bad things comes from the human mind. And it is by having good or bad feelings that lead us towards our desires and the unwanted guides. So I hope you were able to understand this issue correctly and decide from this moment how you want to live your life and what kind of mentality you have now. Well, dear friends, I hope this content was useful for you and thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. And if you have any questions or suggestions, be sure to share them with us in the comments section. Be happy wherever you are. Healthy. Be rich and happy. See you in the next video.